Today I'm going to share with you my fall front porch. I have thrift flips and Dollar Tree crafts. I'm going to share with you how to incorporate both of those ideas into a quick and easy, stunning fall porch. Welcome to my channel, Freckled Mom at Home. If you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, hey! I have always wanted to have a farmhouse furniture or some sort of feature for my porch that I can decorate year round. So I found this on the side of the road and I share it in my Freckled Mom DIY channel. Hey Mike, you excited for my porch reno? All the DIYs I worked on, I shared on my Freckled Mom DIY channel earlier today with a collaboration with Jamie. This is a little different. This is how I styled it and how I put everything out and arranged it. And this is also for a collaboration. Having a wraparound porch is one of my favorite features of my home. I'm able to decorate in many different areas on my porch. I love this corner here, although I've never really decorated it that much. So now that I have my new faux mantle place, I will be decorating here every season. So again, if you are looking for the full tutorial on any of these DIYs, make sure you check out my Freckled Mom DIY channel. I am so in love with these items that I've chosen. I have a bunch of different colors that I'm working on, and obviously everything is for fall. I didn't have an exact style I was going for, but it's definitely farmhouse, and we have a mixture of things that we are adding here. Whenever I'm decorating a space, whether it be for a party or decor for a new season or holiday, I always start with pieces that I currently own. So I look around my house and in my garage and in the basement, and I look for pieces that I haven't used in quite a while or pieces that I can transform into something else. So I have a variety of pumpkins here. Some pumpkins are from the Dollar Tree, some are from Walmart. Now the ones at Walmart are actually 98 cents, so 2 cents cheaper than the Dollar Tree, and they were super cute. So definitely run to Walmart, check out their pumpkins, and you can see I have a mixture of different textures here. So I have some hay bales, I have some live plants, I have some wood, some wicker, some florals. I think having all these different textures just adds to the ambiance and the feeling that you're trying to recreate. And this is part of your space. This is where you live, so it is only right that you would treat it just like you would inside your house. So make it pretty, put some creativity into it, make some DIYs, do the color scheme that you have in the inside of the house. So you really have so many different options here, and because it's outside, you have so many different pieces you can use that you wouldn't always bring into your house, such as hay bales or big chunky furniture pieces that have been out in the elements for years. So I threw down a rug that matched everything and some pillows, and I think we are ready for fall. All I need up here is a little fireplace.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky.
This is a playlist for modern farmhouse decor. It's hosted by Coffee with Nadia and the Decor lovers, which consists of Glam of Queen of Decor, Creatively Miss Me, Leanie's World, Love My Babies Forever. So make sure to watch the playlist and check out their channels if you haven't yet.
Small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my...
If you like cleaning, organizing, and decorating, and you haven't subscribed yet, you should. You definitely won't be disappointed. To all my current subscribers, thank you so much. You can also find me on Instagram as Freckled Mom. Don't forget to hit the bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and got some inspiration to start your fall porch. I love my porch and I love all my finds of my DIYs and my thrift flips. If you were inspired, please consider subscribing if you haven't done so yet. This was a challenge by the decor lovers. Make sure to check out the playlist down in the description. You can find me on Instagram as Freckled Mom. Another way to support my channel is buymeacoffee.com. I'll put those links all down in my description. Don't forget to hit the bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. If you like crafting and DIY, make sure to check out Freckled Mom DIY, my other channel. I have a full video of all these DIYs plus more, so make sure you head over there too. Have a great night, and I'll see you soon.